Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service Missoula planning briefing for Sunday, October 29th. Key points: high pressure is going to be in control through Wednesday. That is going to lead to some warming temperatures and dry conditions. And our next wave of moisture is going to arrive by Thursday and lead to precipitation chances heading into next weekend. However, at this time, not looking at huge impacts for this week. You see a lot of green on the weather threat matrix. Looking at the satellite imagery, a little bit of low cloud cover out there in the Northern Rockies. Otherwise, a lot of clear sky across the Mountain West, and that is going to be a theme that's going to continue through the middle of the week. Temperature-wise, as I mentioned, we are looking at that warm-up. Here is the weekly temperature forecast. See those highs getting into the 40s and 50s, a lot of the valleys reaching the 50s by mid to late week, which will be temperatures that for many are a little bit above average for this time of year. So a change from the wintry weather of the past week. Chance of precipitation, again, Monday through Wednesday, looking primarily dry. Very low chance of precip getting in by late Wednesday, but really those precip chances are going to ramp up on Thursday, and they will continue into the weekend. Now, one thing that's going to be important to mention at this time is that snow levels look like they're going to stay pretty high. We don't really have a lot of cold air being pulled in with this system. So you can see those snow levels are primarily above 6,000 feet starting on Thursday when the precip gets here. So for the most part, it's going to be a rain event for the valleys, and looks like any snow is going to stay well up in the mountains. Of course, this is a ways out, but this is what the forecast looks like currently. Also a little early to start talking too much about precipitation amounts with the weekend system, but this is a look at the 50th percentile for how much rain could fall, precipitation totals here. So 50th percentile showing that there's equal chance that it could be above or below these amounts. Southwest Montana really seeing those low amounts just over 2 to 4 hundredths there as you go down towards Butte. West Central Montana closer to that 1/4 of an inch. Same thing for a lot of Northwest Montana, and with the highest totals being over in North Central Idaho. That will continue to be refined, though, the forecast, as we go through this upcoming week. Otherwise, again, a pretty quiet week of weather. And our next scheduled briefing will be on Thursday, November 2nd. If you have any questions, you can always call or shoot us an email. Thank you.